Good evening. Welcome to the post-market report for today, the 28th October of 2021. Today was, to sum it up, was catastrophe, right? There is no disguising this fact. From 40,917 Bank Nifty, right? From the day's high to its closing number, 39,508. It's about 1,300 drop. In the morning, for a while, it seemed like it was going to recover after 11 a.m. Seemed like it was going to inch up a little bit further and keep continuing its bull run. But then after 1:30 p.m., the trend was very clear, and down it went. And it simply jumped off a precipice from there. From Monday's high of 41,800, and today's closing at 39,500, it's about 2,500 points in just about 3 days. Okay, it's there are no words to describe what just happened today. I'm sure plenty of people lost a lot of money, and people were in for a rude shock today. It was disappointing, to say the very least, and it's probably one of the worst days at the market this year, after April. I think the last time we saw something like this was in April, so it's clearly one of the black days of 2021 in terms of the Indian market here. And Nifty, of course, was just as bad, closing at 17,857, losing about 300 points today. Again, something that's unusual. Senxex, the other index, went below the psychologically important mark of 60,000 as well. It's difficult to attribute this kind of a drop to any particular thing. Yes, there were some results that were not good, and there was some expiry related trading that went on, I'm sure, that probably created this. If we looked at the results, most of them were pretty bad. Adani ports, ITC, they were all pretty bad. There were a couple that did very well, IndusInd and L&T. The PSU bank index went down, obviously. For every share that did well today, there were probably about 5 that were in the red. But I think one big reason, and I think everybody knows this, is that the FIIs, the foreign institutional investors, have been selling like there's no tomorrow. So that clearly has been giving the market quite a pounding in the past couple of days. And we've got, I would think right now that 17,500 would be a good support for Nifty. For Bank Nifty, I don't want to venture and give a number at this point, because there's a lot of things that there's still some uncertainty out there. India VIX, understandably, shot up, went up to almost 18, and so that's the volatility right there for you. And next week we expect a few results as well, like the SBI. All in all, today's market was, you wish you weren't here watching this. That's how bad it was. And what makes it more interesting is that there were no global cues to blame this on. There was really nothing that you can blame it on. The banking sector actually has been doing well, so to speak, but Bank Nifty has taken a huge hit. So some results, some expiry day trading, and a lot of FII selling. I expect the market to go up a little bit, bounce back from here, but we cannot be sure, right? It is the market. I mean, it does exactly what it wants, not what I say that it should do, right? So we can expect anything, really. Anyway, tomorrow's morning session will be particularly interesting. The first 1 hour will be watched very closely. We wanna watch if we're continuing our bull run and bouncing back, or if we're going the other way. I'm certainly hoping for a good recovery, of course. Um, I hope all of you are doing well today after today's market. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching this report. You'll have a wonderful day. Bye now.